What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. This is LENZ LZV100 command station and booster. I'm offering battery replacement service. So if your command station older than 10 years, you might see the message error 97. If you're doing a lot of consist, the major issue with this, it's not going to hold consist anymore. When it boots up, you'll see that error. If you're not doing a lot of consist, it's just very annoying to see it. You can clear and continue operate your command station. I'm taking that battery with 3 legs like that. That's original. And replacing that battery with a special holder for standard battery 2450. That's Duracell right there. Then I'm testing it and you're getting back command station fully operational. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.